Hey there folks, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're having some fun with replacing the iPhone 13 Pro's Bluetooth and video microphone. It's always exciting to tinker with our devices, right? So, let's dive right in. We're going to start by removing the two bottom screws, which is surprisingly easy. Next, we'll pull up the display screen. You will have to be careful while removing the display screen, and make sure to not break the LCD assembly. Then we separate screen from the motherboard. And now, be ready to pop out the old Bluetooth and microphone connector flex, and then install the new ones. The fun part, we'll see if the new components work as well as the old ones. It's always a bit of a gamble when it comes to replacing parts, but it's all part of the adventure. We will successfully replace the iPhone 13 Pro's Bluetooth flex, and I hope you will enjoy watching this little adventure with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more fun and tech-related